Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the iPhone and iPod and any iDevice uh, pieces or parts. If you want to know if they were repaired or refurbished before, if they replaced the camera, the screen or any other part of the phone. So this is the video to know if that ever happens to any Apple device. It's very easy, simple process. Only you need a program called 3U Tool, which I will use here, and I will show you how you download it, and install it. I already have done that, but I'm going ahead to show you. Okay, so this is the tool 3U Tool. Okay, I already have it download and installed, but you can go to 3u.com and you can download and install from there. Okay, so after you plug your iPhone to the computer with the USB cable, it will ask to install the iDrivers or iPhone drivers, so you just accept and install them. After that, you need to trust the software on your iPhone, and then you will get to this screen right here. So as you can see here, you have many information from the phone, like the storage, the battery info on the iOS version, if the iPhone is jailbroken or no, if activated, the type, the model, serial sales model, the IMEI, serial number, ECID, the UD, etc. The UD was used to remove the iCloud from the iDevice. Yeah, if you ever did that, you know what I mean. Okay, you also can check the Apple ID lock. So if you want to know if the device is iCloud locked, you just click there. So you will see the details. Okay, you can check the warranty too. You click there and then you enter the captcha, press on carry, and then you have current iDevice service and support coverage is expired. This is an iPhone 7 Plus, so it's an old phone. Production date 2016. That's why the Apple warranty coverage is only 1 year, but we have many relevant information here. The sales region, which is United States, the CPU, the disk type, how many charges the phone has been through, and also the battery life, which is 84% here. It's a very good for the all of the phone. Okay, but let's move on to the important information about this. uh, so you just press on view verification report right here to see if any part of the phone was replaced or repaired. Okay, so here we have some basic information in this left side here, and the information of the part from factory, and the information here actual from the phone. Okay, so you just compare them and you see you check if you see any change, and that's give you an idea if a part was replaced or no. Okay, well, you have all the basic information here: Bluetooth, cellular address, blah blah blah. You see here test result on the right side, normal. It means that the parts are the same, they were not replaced yet. And for the screen, uh, it says how to judge. We move there later. Okay, so you can see the cellular, the Wi-Fi, the serial number, the main board serial number are all the same, they match. So they they are the ones original factory with the phone. Okay, the rear camera, the front camera, the touch ID serial number, all the same. So the parts are original from this phone. Okay, for the screen you click on how to judge, and it gives you an idea of why it cannot read the screen serial, but it gives you an idea of how you can check if the screen was replaced. And when they replace the screen, they use the same parts. They don't disassemble it. So if their cameras are the same serial number, it's pretty much sure that the screen was not replaced in the phone. So if you have the same camera, rear and front camera, uh, it means that your screen is the original one, was not replaced yet. That's what it's explaining here. You can read it. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty much it. Okay, so that's only for the screen. All the other parts can be read directly from the phone, and and you have the result right here, the serial numbers of each one. Okay, it's very important by the time you are buying or selling a phone, you know, like a history of the phone, and very very relevant information. Also, it rates the phone and it give you a score for the phone, and it has a 98. So it's a very high score for a 2016 phone. It's pretty much in very good condition, as you can see. And that's it. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. This is very important information, and easy to get, and fast. Just need the 3U tools, and plug your phone with the USB cable to your computer, and you have the information right away. So let's close it here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and comment and like. See you soon, guys.